The 2013 Subaru BRZ. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this car is a truly winning combination. A quick and nimble vehicle emphasizing safety, style, and fun. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.